Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. In this video of exponents and radicals, we are going to take up two very important questions in which we will find the value of any variable, say x, y, p, q, using the laws of exponents and substitute the values in the given expression. Now these are the two questions which we are going to take up in this video. In the first question, we are going to find out the value of x and y and substitute its value in the given expression, that is y upon x minus x upon y. And in the second question, we are going to find the value of p by q by simplifying it, and then we will substitute it and find the value of p by q raised to power minus 2. So let's start with question number 1. It is given if 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 9 and 4 raised to power y plus 2 is equal to 64, find the value of y upon x minus x upon y. Now let's start with the solution. First of all, we shall take the first equation, that is 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 9. Now 9 is 3 square, so we shall write 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 3 square. Now further, when the base are same, we can equate the powers. So we shall write x minus 1 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is the value of x, that is 3. Now we shall take up the second equation and find the value of y. The second equation is given 4 raised to power y plus 2 is equal to 64. Now 4 can be written as 2 square and 64 can be written as 2 raised to power 6. So we shall write 2 raised to power 2, further in bracket y plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. Now we shall open the brackets and we shall write 2 raised to power 2y plus 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. Now again, when the base are same, we can equate the powers. So we will write 2y plus 4 is equal to 6. Further 2y is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Further y is equal to 2 upon 2, which is equal to 1. Therefore the value of y is 1 over here. Now earlier we have calculated the value of x, that is 3, and y is 1. Now we shall substitute the values of both x and y in the given expression, that is y upon x minus x upon y. So we will write 1 upon 3 minus 3 upon 1. Now 3 and 1, the LCM is 3. So we shall write 1 minus 9 upon 3 is equal to minus 8 upon 3. So this is our answer to this expression, y upon x minus x upon y is equal to minus 8 by 3. Now let's move to second question. It is given if p by q is equal to 5 by 6 raised to power minus 2 into 4 by 3 raised to power 0, find the value of p by q raised to power minus 2. Now let's start with the solution. This expression which is given to us, p by q is equal to 5 by 6 raised to power minus 2 into 4 by 3 raised to power 0. It involves two laws, that is, one is the negative exponent, other is the zero exponent. So over here, the negative exponent we have to convert into positive exponent by applying the law which says whenever we have x raised to power minus a, it is equal to 1 upon x raised to power a. So we just have to reciprocate the base. And the zero exponent says anything raised to power 0 is 1. So accordingly we shall write p by q is equal to 5 by 6 will become 6 by 5 and minus 2 will become 2. It will become positive by reciprocating 5 by 6. And 4 by 3 raised to power 0 will become 1, which is equal to 6 by 5 raised to power 2. So this is the value of p by q which we have got, 6 by 5 raised to power 2. Now we shall substitute this value in the value which we have to find, that is p by q raised to power minus 2. So we shall write in bracket 6 by 5 raised to power 2 and whole raised to power minus 2. Now here we shall apply the law of power. That means whenever we have two powers, one inside and one outside, we multiply both. So accordingly we will write 6 by 5 raised to power 2 into minus 2, which is equal to 6 by 5 raised to power minus 4. Now this minus 4 we have to convert into positive exponent by again applying the law that says x raised to power minus a is equal to 1 by x raised to power a. So we just have to reciprocate the base over here. So 6 by 5 will become 5 by 6 raised to power 4. Now again we will apply another law that says x upon y whole raised to power a is equal to x raised to power a, and upon y raised to power a. So similarly 4 will be distributed between 5 and 6, and we shall write 5 raised to power 4 upon 6 raised to power 4, which is equal to 625 upon 1296. So this is the answer. This is the value of p by q raised to power minus 2. So hope you have understood these two questions. Thank you everyone.